Hey guys, it's Nick
and Jess,
and today we are talking all things GNR.
And this year was its 50th anniversary.
And it was our first
time.
anniversary. No, it was our first
time.
We were newbies. We were rookies.
Yeah, absolutely. We kind of wanted to recount our experience and all of the wonderful things that we loved, and to let you know that we're sad that it's over.
We're so sad that it's over.
Yeah.
We didn't want to leave. So let's start right from the beginning when we first entered the park in our RV.
That's right.
And we found our spots.
Before the beginning, the weather was lovely. It had been stormy, and so it was cool, and it was nice and breezy.
I mean, when we say cool, we're talking sweater weather. We were wearing sweaters, blankets.
We got there a few days before the rally so that we could join in on the Pucker Brush Festival,
Yes.
which is a festival that happens every summer in Forest City that coincides with the GNR weekend. We visited a blacksmith shop.
Yes.
Brady helped him fashion a key leaf, and he was so proud of it. Obviously, we brought it home.
Yes, we don't have it on us.
No, yeah.
Here it is. No, kidding. It's not with
We're
us.
so strange. Steam tractors, steam wagons.
There was this old jail, and you could
that
see,
was so
you could
cool.
almost
And
experience the whole
creepy.
thing. Yeah, a little scary. They had like a fake body inside there, which
Yeah.
was
But there was
scary.
also a place where they had hand-churned ice cream, so everything was okay.
And they had an old-fashioned general store too, and you could see the size of it.
Oh,
and,
that was
and
so
what it
neat.
looked like at the time. The
A
type
lot of the products that they
Exactly,
sold.
yeah.
Pre-rally activity number 2, we went on a tour.
We
of
had a
the Winnebago.
private tour.
We felt so special.
Yeah, we felt really, really special.
We had
met
fantastic tour guides. Sam and Zach took us through the whole place.
Our kids are 4 and 5 years old, and they were so engaged the entire
really
time.
were, yeah.
Zach did an incredible job talking to our kids.
Yeah. He got on their level. He explained it in a way that they could understand. He showed them and
they
let
had plenty
them
of
feel real
opportunities to
tactile
touch and feel
options.
things. Yeah. I mean, the word that we could not get out of our heads was the attention to detail, the precision
Absolutely, yeah.
that goes on in these factories is just bar none.
There was an ice cream stand, and the boys loved it.
Loved it.
They ran.
You give
for
them
it.
vanilla and chocolate ice cream, and they're set. They're
Best
done.
friend. So every evening, Winnebago had something fun for everyone to do, whether it was live entertainment at the amphitheater, row parties, trivia night at the River Oaks establishment, or campfires with s'mores. There were all kinds of seminars from anything from insurance to maintenance to retirement communities
that's right.
for
to
RVers.
beer. There was
there
Beer
was
101.
Beer 101,
Yeah.
painting classes, stitching classes.
There was something for literally everyone.
That's right. And for all of the families there, they had really fun family activities, bounce houses and inflatable slides, and of course, face painting.
Yes.
We had a leopard and a puppy all day long.
They were leopards and puppies the entire day.
Yeah. Another family activity that they had planned was to be able to go and speak with the designers for the floor plans and the interior of the RVs, where kids and grown-ups alike could design their own RVs, which was really cool.
That's so cool to be able to design your own and have the actual designers of Winnebago watch you design something.
That was really neat.
Maybe you can give some ideas. I don't know.
Probably.
But they probably already thought of every single
like,
idea.
No,
Yeah,
I can already tell you why that's a problem.
Right. Okay, so if there was one thing in particular that I think our boys said was their absolute favorite part of GNR was touring the RVs. They had an entire section on the grounds that was dedicated to all sorts of Winnebagos that they had, that they were releasing, that were brand new, that you could just leisurely walk into and experience.
A's, B's, C's,
All of them,
huge,
yeah.
all the way down to their tiniest models. We went every single day.
We went to every
Our
single
boys
one of
asked
them.
every single day to go.
And they
were gorgeous.
They wanted to take home every single one.
Every one of them.
Yeah.
They already had trips planned and which one we were going to take where, and we got to buy this one and we got to take that one. So Winnebago had a stand that you could go up to called Voice. And the whole purpose of this was to meet Winnebago employees and to give them your opinion. They were passionate about what you were saying, about what they're doing, about making their product better. It was incredible.
It was awesome.
Yeah. So all of this to say, we had a fantastic time at the GNR. We made so many great friendships, great relationships. We really enjoyed our time there. I think being a part of the community is the whole the whole idea behind the GNR, and is something that we're really, really glad that we entered into. And we would say to you, it is no longer a requirement that you be a WIT member. It is open to all Winnebago owners. So if you own a Winnebago and you don't know about this rally thing, or you've never been to the Grand National Rally, please take our advice, sign up, come, be a part of the community.
And I can't wait to see what they do next year to make it even better than it was this year, which was amazing.
We're super excited to be there next year, and we can't wait to see you there.
Bye.
Bye.